A N A. Can you please help repair the bicycle? Bicycle wheel. Keep going! You can do it! It looks like a circle. A circle is round like a ball. B for bicycle. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. You did it! Y for yarn. Can you spot the differences between these two dice? Oops! Oops! Awesome! D for dice. Tap the boards to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going! You can do it! F for fence. Please tap 8 paving tiles to complete the pavement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome! P for pavement. This slide is missing a ladder. Please find it. Car wheel. Oops! Ladder. Great idea! It's a ladder. S for slide. Let's compare these two groups. This group has more. Table. This group has less. Excellent! Find the missing part of this hot air balloon. You did it! It's called a gondola. A for air balloon. Please touch the correct cake. Round cake. I appreciate what you did, but please try again. Heart cake. Good job! Thank you! It's a heart cake. C for cake. Touch the correct color for the traffic signal. Red light. You're a great kid! Red light means you have to stop. T for traffic signal. Congratulations! You got a useful tool. Which tool is inside of this tool is inside of the box? Well done! Find the missing letter. Oh, good job! Thank you! Please tap 4 T-shirts to put them in the 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job! Thank you! T for T-shirt. Find the hands for this clock. Minute hand. Well done! C for clock. Select the best picture for this frame. Well done! It looks like a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. 2 are long and 2 are short. 1, 2, 3, 4. P for picture. Find the board that has a different color. You did it! F for fence. Find the missing part of the windmill. Good job! Thank you! This windmill has 4 large blades. W for windmill. Which vehicle does the panda need? Great idea! Which group has less? This group has less. You did it! Find the best bolt to fix this seesaw.